Hello guys, in this video comparing two types of spot welding. This is the AC spot welding I built it from a microwave transformer, and this is DC spot welding powered by battery, and this is the battery. The battery that I use is A123 system, and then 6P and 4S. According to the description, the A123 system, the max pulse discharge is 140. I'll start first from the AC. I'm using 0.2 copper and 0.2 knuckle strip. To be fair, I checked using this measurement tools. This is 0.2. This is copper, 0.99. So that's it. The nickel plate 0.2. So the power level is 100% from AC, and go directly to the max millisecond, 50 millisecond. Top of the copper is the nickel plate. Well, it didn't stick, unfortunately. The AC spot welding cannot weld at once 0.2 nickel strip and a copper. Successfully weld only the two with copper and the plate. So the next is the DC, this one. So the power level is, I drop into 90, and interval, because this is dual pulse, so the interval milliseconds 99, and the second pulse is 99. The same plate, 0.2, the nickel strip and the copper. Well, I'm going to check also the current. I hope it could detect. I think it's wrong because it's only 52, but it's stick. This is spot welding. This is spot welding successfully weld the 0.2 nickel strip and a 0.2 copper in just one spot. Check if the strength is enough. Well, by hand isn't. The first spot is from this microwave AC spot welding, and the next to it, this one, is from the DC. So if you see to it, the AC spot welding seems like burning the nickel strip. There is a discoloration, a big hole, and that it's like a rainbow. And from the AC spot welding, but from the DC, it's just like a point. A DC spot welding at 90 first pulse, and the second is 99, which is max. Can perfectly weld the nickel strip and copper. So thank you for watching, guys. See you to my next video.